Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are fine. Today our topic is about count, say and trace. Look students, what is this? This is an elephant. Okay, how many elephants are there? Of course, there is only one elephant. One elephant. Look, what is this? This is one. This is one. Let's move your finger number 1 like this. This is number 1. Let's color it. Look in the boxes. Here is number 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Let's trace them with pencil. I hope you understood this lesson. Take care. Allah Hafiz.
Dear students, please subscribe our channel, press the bell icon, like, share and comment the videos. Thank you very much.